Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marcel, and today we're going to be talking about the Taekwondo silhouette, which is currently one of my favorites of what's to wear, but this time I decided to pick it up in a color scheme. This is in the cream, white, and gold. Let's take a quick peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling reviews. Today we are going to be talking about the Taekwondo silhouette in this beautiful gold, cream, and white colorway. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool color combination. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you can find a pair. Let's jump right into it. All right, so as far as the Taekwondos, I feel like, again, just more narrow sneaker silhouettes are what are super trendy right now. I think that the Taekwondos just look amazing on foot. If you want to take a break also from Sambas and Gazelles, which I think honestly are starting to slowly kind of phase out, this is really the next big push for the Adidas team. I have a pair already in this beautiful silver colorway, which I've gotten so many compliments for, and I decided to kind of branch out and get a different color scheme. So this time I decided to opt for this really beautiful, simplistic, kind of monochromatic color scheme, which is in this cream tone and finish. So we've got that nice cream on the upper, same colored laces with a matching kind of tumbled leather look and feel for the tongue. And then we've got this beautiful gold color scheme, which really makes the sneaker look a little bit classier, a little bit dressier. All right, so let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. Around the side panels, this is where we're getting that beautiful gold tone and finish on the stripes. I really honestly just love the shade of gold that they decided to go with this. Sometimes gold is a little bit more rich and darker. This is a very light, more pale type of gold. As we wrap around to the back, you're getting that same gold color and finish with this Adidas logo on the back in white, and then the same color combination on the lateral side. The interior is in white and gold for the insole. And then as we work our way to the bottom, we've got white and a gum bottom for the midsole, and the outsole is in, of course, the gum bottom, which really brings the sneaker together for a nice natural look. All right, let's take a look at those details, then jump into size and fit. As far as size and fit goes, I am usually in a European size range around a 40 to a 40 and 2/3 in Adidas. I went with a 40 on this one, and these fit me perfectly. Not a ton of extra room. Again, this is a very narrow silhouette, so if you have wider feet, I would definitely think about sizing up on these. All right, so now let's talk about how I style this really cool color combination. For the first look, again, shout out to my Billionaire Boys Club family for sending me my first look to a style with these. That look is a Billionaire Girls Club quarter neck zip up sweatshirt with a matching pair of gray sweatpants. Definitely think simple neutral, natural colors will go great with this, casual or dressed up.
Not a problem, I don't need them. I'm not gonna behave, everything goes my way. Sorry, I'm a head case, a sweet escape. Other boys like to gaze, like I'm on a display. But I'm not here to catch your feelings.
Then for the second look, decided to wear a denim mini dress, which I think really made the sneakers pop.
But I'm not here to catch your feelings. I could be a pain, I could be a diva, driving you insane. You could dream my power, son, and me in my clothes. You ain't got a chance to see you when doors are closed. Ain't no catching feelings, I'm a flirt until they kneeling. Get too close and I'ma leave them. Not a problem, I don't need them. I'm not gonna behave, everything goes my way. Sorry, I'm a head case, a sweet escape. Other boys like to gaze, like I'm on a display.
And then for the last and final look, I went with a nice simple cream bandeau top to kind of match the cream finish of the sneaker. And then for the bottoms, I wore some nice just khaki pants that were cargo.
Catch your feelings, no, no. But I'm not here to catch your feelings.
Talk about how much these retail for. So one thing I love about the price point of Taekwondos is they are under that $100 retail, which is really hard to find these days with sneakers, especially good quality, good looking ones. So the Taekwondo, top of my list this year for 2025 is favorite silhouettes that just look good and are super fashionable, super trendy. As far as where you can find these, you can get these on any of the Adidas platforms. So Confirmed has different color options. Their just regular website or in-store, even Adidas retailers also have different colorways and shades of this, but there are many different colorway options. This is just one of my favorite colorways right now. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing and review. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
Tell her to someone, tell her it's me.